Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing on another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog. In truth, now viewers and subscribers are one nation. Yes, Gaza Nation that does encompass 6 nations as well. And Chronic Law and Jahmiel, right now, they have a lyrical feud, a lyrical confrontation. We are nice up the dancehall industry at this point. We know the settings, everybody's staying. So, they might check out what go on. Recently, Jahmiel dropped a track titled Chip Glock. And people that say yes, them like the flow is a track with a melody. Is it an authentic hardcore dancehall response track? We are not entirely sure. Was it listenable? Yes, it was listenable. But Chronic Law said, watch this. When they've not talk about melody, we're gonna give them bars, and bars is what Chronic Law has delivered. He even state and point out this: the fact that there wasn't much research done for Jahmiel response track. He basically sing back Chronic Law chorus, and in a response type affair in a dancehall music situation, confrontation, you can't use back other people's lyrics in that format. You can do a Chronic Law do, and use parts of theme song to convey a certain idiom and use it as, you know what I mean, a sharp lash in a lyrical confrontation. But you, however, cannot just use back the idea of somebody else's chorus unless it is in a counter format. And that was not done here. So, viewers and subscribers, in my own personal opinion, I don't even say we are review the track, we are review what take place in a dancehall music between Chronic Law and Jahmiel. Right now, me I say this. Out of Jahmiel, Alka and Mov, surprisingly, Jahmiel hold him own more than Alkaline. Yeah, it's a youth who try a thing and then run off, you know, but him hold him own more than Alka them. Alka them dance on the settings. Mov him have a good wartime songwriter before him can enter in any lyrical confrontation with any artist, whether young, aspiring, or wherever the case may be. If him not have a certain type of songwriter in him corner, him not do it. Now I mean, like at the same thing I reach. At the same thing look like it a reach Alkaline at the same time. If him not have a good wartime songwriter, him choose not to go in a lyrical clash. That's why I must say the song where him put out recently, it sound like it's a song where somebody do write for him good look a while now and him just fix it up a little way and add that line there in reference to the teacher to kind of spark a certain response from the dancehall industry. The new track from Chronic Law though, I definitely a clear reminder to the dancehall industry that yes, while Jahmiel might be known for flow, cadence, melody, in a lyrical confrontation, these are not aspects of the music that matter as much to the listening ear. Because remember, at a stage show for performance, it is kind of hard to convey a certain melody. It is more the punchline that the crowd is working with. While on recorded lyrical confrontations, which this is, I'm going to point out that people might be, you know what I mean? I say, yeah, Ray and Jahmiel are the better sounding track. But when we talk about the lyrical content, no doubt Chronic Law's lyrical content is unmatched to viewers and subscribers. And them say similes, him never use like in that new track here. There was no like in that new track here. Showing us that him does, or he does have not just saying potential. We already know the Chronic Law have the potential. We're not it past that. It means that already an artist now in the industry where people are looking for new tracks, hot tracks. So we don't talk about potential now. The growth is there. And when they can accept the critique and work on your craft and work at making it better, that show the type of artist that you are. While some of the artists will take the critique and say, yo, them are not supporters, man. Them are opposition. Them are this, them are that. And because them can't do well with the critique. Chronic Law has proven, however, that, yeah, if you can listen to what the industry has said and work on him craft. Because remember, you now make music for yourself. You're not making music to entertain yourself. As an artist, you do not go up on stage to perform to you. You're not performing in front of the mirror. You are performing to an audience. So yes, Why you not gonna bend to the will of the audience? Yeah, cause we don't say that we stand strong. But at the same time, you have to make music with the audience we appreciate and gravitate to. And you have to take the critique well. Chronicler has done so with this new track, viewers and subscribers. Talk to me. Talk to me. What your favorite line? Whole heap of things. The G mentioned a whole heap of things. They hear him say what go on with the three rest them and the tall weird one. Yo, whole heap of things mentioned. Whole heap of things mentioned. We see some people already are run with that line alone. But differently from that, we feel that the track overall. Remember, Chronicler also stated that in the talk facts in the track, saying that he might make some claim, but in a theme place, them already know theme situation and what he was held for. Yeah, man. We all know, for those who don't, it was arson, not normal, and he might bring the flame. Chronicler definitely bring the flame in this track, viewers and subscribers. No doubt about that. We didn't call it a diss track. We are calling this a response track. And that's past that phase now. We are at, what I say, what's wrong with it? Talk to me. Because certain songs, if I remember this tweet, certain songs are the opening act for the whole confrontation. So when you have the opening songs, we wouldn't consider that as a round. After them decide to say, alright, now we're going to respond to tracks being recorded and published, then we can say, alright, now we have a lyrical confrontation at hand. And that means, say, yes, now we can look forward to see tracks being responded to. So we can say round one, that round, that round, that round. So far, people that say Chronicler dominate. And if you talk about the lyrical aspect of Wagwan, the facts they even mentioned say, yo, some man put gimmicks on the tracks and it's actual factual statements. You know what I mean? And I really not we gossip and make them make it up like a script. As I say, songwriter thing, nobody ever know. But it's not factual. Chronicler say when it might talk, it's either he might mention something I'm willing to do, plan to do, or something I'm do already. And in our settings like this, that speaks volumes. Yeah, that speaks volumes, viewers and subscribers. And the music industry, Chronicler was rated. So before him rise to prominence now, rated as one of the youngest lyricists in a dancehall music theme time. And especially film region, yes, the youngest lyricist ever. That is never an accreditation given to Jahmiel at any point in time. We have never heard anybody say that anyway. Whenever hear nobody say, yo, Jahmiel and lyrics are. As a matter of fact, I will say this. Most of Jahmiel fans now pay them him tracks them the mind right now. If MVP fans might be. You know what I mean? I support and I listen to the music. But the core Jahmiel fans them are listening from House on the Hill. Him state that same fans that tell him say him not for bother follow up them kind of style of music. Yeah. But I guess because him go link up with, you know what I mean? Mouth and Alka. Them say show me your friends and I guess that this a go on. You know what I mean? Him a follow company. Jahmiel a follow friend. The Ras a follow friend. It surprised him a follow two other Ras. If they found out to say a real Rasta thing man, him a follow two other fashion Ras. Confused. You know what go on. But that track here, yes, it's a clear dancehall reminder. The G make sure point out say he book him a country. A mango farm settings. Plant like yam peel. And if a town boss, I swear something go off. Anywhere at all, him say as a matter of fact, you talk brave in your songs. I hope you are that brave when we see you in the streets. No, Jahmiel shaking now. This is almost like law ball, I say watching hard ball, we have a 9 ball setting. Anywhere we book you. Anywhere we book you. Right now, we know Jahmiel don't want to hear that. But there's some youth who already keep to themselves. Them keep inside. And long before this we are going, yeah, I youth them will stay inside, man. They don't really too touch road. When they do touch road, I must overseas them there. Certain places overseas too. You know the thing go. Glabas already state. The link broad. Whole heap of place. You know what I mean? Yeah, whole heap of place. No matter where you're there, people might know. People might see you. And people might come have words with you. Or it might be more severe than that. Vice to the one called Jaden Chase, viewers and subscribers, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you know if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that. Drop a like on the blog for me, like with your ear. Put it on all too, so that you'll be notified about content that's not fresh content is uploaded on the platform. Comment section open, share icon there so you can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Comment section open 24/7, never lack yet. Comment section open, so I go on so. Comment section open, drop in. I don't want to feel about the track. I don't want to feel about the vibe of what I go on dancehall music right now. Chronicle and Jahmiel step up for entertain the nation, viewers and subscribers, and them do a good job. But now go run him. Them do a good job. Excited to do what I go on. Everybody I play them role. Jahmiel respond to the song them in a very timely fashion. Chronicle I do the same. We not have to wait 3 and 4 days. We're not supposed to wait 3 and 4 days. We're supposed to record the song them same time. And send them to them need to send to so they can mix and master. Producer is supposed to go away. Artists are supposed to go away. So the song them supposed to can drop as soon as possible. Oh, move settings fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours are going to live, love and prosper until the reason again.